Everyone, few more examples based on that one. Here x to the power a divided by x to the power b whole to the power a square plus ab plus b square into nothing was given, means here we are assuming it as multiplication itself. X to the power b by x to the power c whole to the power b square plus bc plus c square times x to the power c by x to the power a whole to the power c square plus ac plus a square equal to 1 we are supposed to prove. Here this we are considering as LHS, RHS we have to prove it as 1. So in this one LHS we are going to apply a formula a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n, and a to the power m whole to the power n equal to a to the power m times n, and a to the power m times a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n, and any number raised to 0 is 1. These are the formulas we are going to use. Now in this, using the first formula, I am going to write this one as x to the power a minus b whole to the power a square plus ab plus b square times x to the power b minus c whole to the power b square plus bc plus c square times x to the power, using the first formula, this one can be written as x to the power c minus a whole to the power c square plus ac plus a square. Now using the second formula, I am going to write this one as x to the power a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square into x to the power b minus c into b square plus bc plus c square into x to the power c minus a into c square plus ac plus a square. Now I have to multiply this one and write. It will become a big one there. Just simply I am showing over here a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Once observe here, a into a square a cube plus a into ab a square b plus a into b square ab square minus b into a square b a square minus b into ab minus ab square minus b cube. Once you observe, plus ab square minus ab square gets cancelled. A square b, this is plus and this is minus, gets cancelled. Left with a cube minus b cube. Right? So in the place of this one I am writing x to the power a cube minus b cube times x to the power, same thing, b minus c into a square, b square plus bc plus c square. If you multiply also, we will get this one as b cube minus c cube. Once you verify it, b minus c into b square plus bc plus c square. Here this is b cube plus b square c plus bc square minus b square c plus bc square, not plus, minus bc square, then minus c cube plus b square c minus b square c plus bc square minus bc square. This is a cube formula, already it is there, but in class 8 we did not, we learned something but not thoroughly. So here this one is b cube minus c cube. So here x to the power c cube minus a cube. Now using this law, we are going to write this one as x to the power a cube minus b cube plus b cube minus c cube plus c cube minus a cube. Now plus a cube minus a cube gets cancelled, minus b cube plus c cube gets cancelled, minus c cube plus c cube gets cancelled, x to the power 0, any number raised to 0 is 1. So answer is 1. This is nothing but the RHS. Clear? Now go for the next one. In this one, same form, same thing, x to the power m divided by x to the power n can be written as x to the power m minus n into here whole to the power a plus b into x to the power b minus c whole to the power b plus c into x to the power c minus a whole to the power c plus a. Got it? Now x to the power a minus b into a plus b into x to the power b minus c into b plus c into x to the power c minus a into c plus c. A minus b into a plus b, identity will use, that is x to the power a square minus b square into x to the power b square minus c square into x to the power c square minus a square. X to the power a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square, using the identity, using the exponent, law of exponent, a to the power m times a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. So plus a square minus a square gets cancelled, minus b square plus b square gets cancelled, minus c square plus c square gets cancelled. This is nothing but x to the power 0, its value is 1. That's what we're supposed to prove. Clear? Thank you.